have a picture of an elephant that I want to cut out of metal using a plasma cutter, and of course I need a DXF file. I'm going to use the Logic Trace system to create that file. I am just going to trace the outline with the pen stylus. I've clicked start in the software. I just hold the tip down, and then I just trace the outline. It is so easy. It is so fast. I just push down and trace right along that line. In about 2 minutes, maybe a minute and a half, I am going to have a DXF file that is ready to cut. I'm going to come down here, do his leg. We'll do a close-up on the screen there. You can see how it's coming. Oh yeah, it is beautiful. I'm going to get a great metal cut here. Do the second leg. Now if I had taken a picture and tried to get a DXF file, it would have taken a long time to convert that into a good file, maybe even impossible. But with mine, I just trace the outline and I get the DXF file. Try to create this in a CAD program without my software, it would take forever. But here it is very fast, very easy. When I'm all finished, I can save it as a DXF file. I can load that DXF file right into my plasma cutting software or any CNC cutting software and cut it out. Oh wow, it is great. Let's cut it.